Quickfire tutorial time with me, Rob from Edison 365. Today, we're looking at resources again, but this time creating a resource report. Let's dive into the app and I'll show you how you can piece this together. Now, resources are all driven from your resource page here, but how do you draw down on this overall capacity? Well, that is within your schedule table. So if we go into automation solution, you will see from this project that within the plan, we've got a shed load of resources within here that have been assigned to a number of different tasks. Now, these resources exist because you predefine them in the resource management tool. That says to you your overall capacity. You've even customized a bespoke calendar for each of these resources as well. We'll look into that on a separate video. But if we dive back in here, I know that we're needing all of these resources, but I want to know what the capacity is looking like. Come to resources, add filter. The filter is going to be an individual or maybe a couple of us. We're going to look at this from the start of 2024 until August. We're going to generate a report. Once you click generate report, the system will do a little momentarily think, but what it then shows you are all of those specific resources, the tasks that they're assigned to, and where you've got some potential bottlenecks, where you, as the expert, need to make a decision on which resources need to be assigned to which tasks and when. So if we look here, scroll down the page a little bit, you can see how much Poppy has got on here. Now, looking at Poppy's capacity, she is pretty much overspent there. So not a very good example. But if you look at me here, you can see I've actually got some capacity coming up around about this day. I can dive into any one of these tasks and it shows me who else is assigned to the task and how much effort is required within that. Super easy, super simple. The data that you capture here as well, using our full public API, you can start to do some really detailed insight reports outside of the tool. But what this gives you is quick, actionable insights against any of the resources that you've got against your tasks within Edison 365. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you again on another one. Cheers.